Hey guys, so I'm just going to put this up because it might be a little bit easier to look back on. So it's all about getting the area of a circle. So a couple of things before we get the area of a circle. We need to know the formula, which is pi multiplied by the radius squared, so pi r squared. Okay. Now, pi is a little button on your calculator. Some people at home now, without me showing you, might find it hard to find. On a sharp calculator, it's actually just on it. So you can see this little symbol here. I know it's hard to see here, but it's around there. On a Casio calculator, it's a little bit more difficult. You have to press Shift right in the top corner and then press the pi button because it's not on the actual buttons, it's on the second functions below the buttons or above the buttons there. So you have to press Shift and then pi. Now, if you are struggling to get pi up in your calculator, for the moment, just use 3.14 because pi is the same as 3.14. So you don't have to use pi, you can use 3.14 instead and it'll give you the same answer. So look in here, formula is pi multiplied by radius squared. 8 centimeters here is actually my diameter. So the radius is half that, it's from the center to the edge. So what you're going to do here is find the area of this circle. You're going to do pi, or instead you can write 3.14 in the calculator, times by 4 squared, because the radius for this is equal to 4 centimeters. It's half of that. And when you put that into your calculator, you're probably going to get 16 pi. And if you get 16 pi, right, all you do is you press change, which is this little button here. I know it's hard to see, or SD if it's a Casio calculator, and it will change that for you. So if I press 16 pi here, and I press change, okay, and I press change, I get 50.3 is my answer. So 50.3, and I write centimeters squared because it's an area. Next one, same again, except this time my radius is given, so I don't have to find my radius. It's 9.5. So I'm going to do pi multiplied by 9.5 squared. When I put that into my calculator, now remember I could use 3.14 instead. So I do pi multiplied by 9.5 squared. I get 90 and a quarter pi. Or say 90 and a quarter, pi centimeters squared. I can change 90 and a quarter to a decimal. I just press change or SD, and I get 283.53 centimeters squared. So if you don't use pi, use 3.14, or if you can't put pi into a calculator, I know it can be hard. You can Google how to do it. I can't really show you here. It's very hard for me to show you without having you in front of me, just for the size of the calculator. But you can use 3.14. So have a go at these. Before you have a go at your questions, maybe try doing the examples here right on your calculator and seeing if you're getting these answers. And if you have any problems, just let me know.